Welcome to this tutorial on Instantly CRM, the ultimate tool for streamlining your sales and marketing efforts in 2025. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how to get started with Instantly CRM, harness its features, and optimize your campaigns to generate leads, nurture prospects, and close deals effectively. So before we get started, first, what is Instantly CRM? Instantly CRM is a cloud-based platform designed to simplify and supercharge your sales and marketing workflows. Tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, it combines robust lead management, email marketing, and sales automation features into one easy to use interface. With Instantly CRM, businesses can track leads, automate outreach, monitor campaign performance, and boost sales, all while fostering stronger customer relationships. So now let's get started. So when you go to Instantly CRM's website, you can always start for free. So just click right here and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard will look like. So to get started, what you want to do is first connect your email account. So as you can see right here in our email accounts, you can add a new one by clicking right here. So as you can see, you can either select this pre-warmed account, so you can use pre-made accounts and domains, start sending right away, no setup required, and you can also connect your Google account. So this is the done for you email setup. So they will set up your account. So you can choose the domain and account's name, the automatic reconnects, save time and money, and of course, you can also connect existing accounts such as your Microsoft or Gmail or any email provider. So I won't be connecting mine, I'm just going to show you the features. Another feature is right here. First is the lead finder. So as you can see right here, you can start your search with AI. So as you can see, there is an example prompt that says engineers in New York in software companies with more than 500 employees. So let's say we want to generate leads such as real estate agents in New York. So the AI will search for you. As you can see, there are a bunch of different leads right here. So you can see there are 9,664 results. So of course, you can always connect or add these people in your leads. Uh, my bad, we have 241,000 results. So what's good about Instantly CRM? Their AI will help you find leads using their lead finder feature. Of course, let's go back. Uh, Cancel out the filters. We can also do a manual search. So you can see you can add the job titles right here, the location, industry and keywords, employees, revenue, and all of this search filters right here. Another feature is the campaigns. So from here you can add new campaigns. So let's create a new one, name, and in this campaign you can see your analytics. You can add leads to this campaign. You can do sequences. So this sequences is like the automation. You can also schedule this campaign, and we have the option sections right here. Next is the Unibox. So basically Unibox is your inbox. From here you will see all of your inboxes, all of the emails that you have sent, the scheduled emails, the reminders, the unread, and course, all the inboxes in all of the campaigns. Next is analytics. So from here, you will see the performance of your work. So as you can see, you'll see total sent, total email sent, the open rate, the click rate, reply rate, and opportunities. You scroll down, you can also see the campaign analytics in the bottom and account analytics. Next is the CRM. So from here, again, it doesn't show up because I haven't connected any email account yet. But from here, you will see the CRM, you will see emails, the calls, SMS, and tasks. But some of these features needs a upgrade to your subscription plan. So from here, you'll see your opportunities, the leads, sales flows, website visitors, the reports, and your preferences. So again, we have the website visitors set section right here. So to do this, just simply click on complete setup and follow this instructions right here, such as typing in your domain. You can also do your setup right here. You need to configure your domain and your billing will be shown right here. Next is the inbox placement. So from here, you can add a new inbox placement. So let's generate the test. Let's say test. Right here, you can select the type of test. You can either use the one time, which sends a single test email for analysis. It's a quick setup and ideal for one off campaigns. And you can always choose the automated one, but you need to upgrade your subscription. Next, we have the support section right here in the bottom, and of course, your account. So from here, you can get the Unibox mobile app. You can see your notifications, you can contact the help center, and of course, your settings. So, what you want to do is again just follow the first instructions, such as connecting your email account, and of course, feel free to explore more about the features of Instantly CRM to know more about how you can use it for your business or work. So again, just feel free to explore all of the features and you will now be using Instantly CRM as soon as possible for your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.